Why is China's producer inflation reaching a near 4-year high while consumer inflation slows down? The surprising gap reveals hidden forces shaping China's economy right now. Producer inflation measures how much manufacturers pay for inputs like raw materials and energy. When these costs rise, producer prices go up, even if final consumer prices stay stable. In China, recent supply chain challenges and higher commodity prices have pushed factory costs higher. This explains why producer inflation is hitting a near 4-year high, signaling stress earlier in the production pipeline. Consumer inflation looks at prices for goods and services buyers see in stores. Despite rising production costs, Chinese consumer inflation has slowed because demand is soft. After pandemic lockdowns, spending hasn't fully recovered, and the government uses policies to keep prices stable. This disconnect means consumers aren't facing big price increases yet, even as factories pay more. China imports many raw materials like metals and oil. Global commodity prices have surged due to supply disruptions and geopolitical tensions. This pushes production costs up for factories in China, driving producer inflation higher. However, these increased costs don't fully pass to consumers because of competitive pressures and policy interventions. China's supply chains still face disruptions from past lockdowns and port congestion. Delays mean higher storage and shipping expenses for manufacturers. These bottlenecks add to the cost pressures pushing producer prices up. Meanwhile, consumer prices stay calmer because retailers absorb some costs to maintain sales volume. The widening gap between producer and consumer inflation is a warning sign. If production costs continue rising, eventually consumer prices may increase too. This could affect your everyday expenses in China or globally through supply chains. Watching this gap helps predict future price trends and economic health. China's producer inflation hitting near 4-year highs, while consumer inflation slows, reveals a complex economic story. Rising factory costs from global commodities and supply issues contrast with muted consumer prices due to weak demand and controls. This gap is a key signal for future inflation risks. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.